Yes, this is Olaka Childcare Primary School here in Lira City. As you see, the community is doing their level best to see that they cast the slab where the dome is going to sit. This is where we are going to construct our seats for the community, and they are so excited. You see, children are involved. The ladies are going to fetch water. We have our engineer who is teaching the community how to construct their hub, and we can't wait to have this launched on a Friday.
So what we have here are the pipes that we're going to be laying in the ground for our underground wiring. These are ideally water pipes, but they're perfect for us because they protect them and it will ensure that we do not have a short circuit.
Hello world, this is Evelyn and we are here in Olaka community working on our junction boxes. We are going to put the community charging point, our bulb and our switches. You can see these ladies here. I have lady engineers here working on our junction boxes which will be used in our dome structure there. As engineer Anita is working on the dome with the kids that side, you can see they are very excited and very happy to come and participate in building their own hub.